Hi everyone, my name is Faizan Sheikh and I'm from Ahmedabad, Gujarat. As you all know, my 30 days video challenge has been completed. So from today onwards, I am going to pick one topic and I'm going to speak about it. Okay, so this way we both can improve. So let's start today's video. Why speaking slowly makes you more confident? Have you noticed confidence people they speak slowly, they take their time, yet everyone listens to them. To begin with, speaking slowly gives your thought a space to breathe. Instead of reacting instantly, try to respond with intention. As a result, the message will be more clear and structured. On the other hand, when we try to speak too fast, it often signals nervousness. We rush because we are afraid of silence. However, silence is not a weakness, it shows your control. So, there are 3 points. We will discuss it one by one. Point number one, slow speech improves clarity. When you slow down, your word lands properly. Each and every single sentence fails deliberately, not accidentally. Consequently, people will understand you better, and as a result, when they understand you better, they trust you more. And clarity builds credibility. Point number two, pauses shows confident. A confident speaker is comfortable with pauses. Don't try to fill every second with sound. In fact, a short pause allows the listener to absorb your point more effectively. Just think about it. Would you trust someone who sounds more rushed or would you trust someone who sounds more composed? Point number three, slow speaking reduce mistakes. When you speak slowly, you give yourself a time to choose the right word, and as a result, you stop stumbling, you stop correcting yourself in mid sentence. Eventually, your fluency will improve not because you know more words, but because you started using the word which you already know more effectively and more efficiently. So, next time when you speak, slow down, take a pause, and try to finish your thought. So, that's all for today's video. And if you like this video, please do subscribe the channel. Let's meet tomorrow. Thank you.